Welcome to our video on creating soothing content online. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or social media influencer, creating soothing content can help you attract and engage with your audience. Here are some tips to help you create the most soothing content possible. Use calming visuals. Incorporate soothing visuals such as nature scenes, landscapes, and calming colors such as pastels or earthy tones. Avoid using loud or bright colors that may be jarring to the senses. Relaxing music or sounds. Incorporate soft, relaxing music or natural sounds such as ocean waves, bird sounds, or gentle rain. This can help create a calming and relaxing atmosphere for your audience. Focus on slow movements. Whether you're filming a yoga sequence or just creating a calming video, focus on slow movements that can help your audience relax and unwind. Avoid fast movements or sudden changes that can be jarring. Create a calming environment. Make sure your filming location is clean, organized, and free of clutter. This can help create a sense of peace and relaxation for your audience. Avoid negative or stressful topics. While it's important to address important issues, focus on creating content that is positive and uplifting. Avoid topics that may cause stress or anxiety. Use your voice. Whether you're creating a podcast or just narrating your content, use a soothing and calming voice. Speak slowly and clearly, and avoid using a harsh or abrasive tone. By following these tips, you can create the most soothing content possible for your audience. Remember, creating a calming and relaxing atmosphere is key to engaging and retaining your audience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and hacks on life.